Vice President Inday Sara Duterte Carpio eventually resigned as DepEd Secretary. Good news ito. Pakinggan natin ang kanyang pahayag.
Earlier today, June 19, 2024, I sought an audience with the President and tendered my resignation as the Secretary of Education effective July 19, 2024. I have given my 30-day notice to ensure the proper and orderly transition for the benefit of the next Secretary. Mga kababayan, ang aking pagbibitiw ay hindi lula ng kahinaan, kundi dala ng tunay na malasakit para sa ating mga guro at kabataang Pilipino.
Long and overdue na, matagal nang hinihintay yan ng sambayanang Pilipino.